In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to do curve text in Canva. It's super easy and it is going to be super fast and a game changer for you. So let's jump in. So what we're going to do is we are going to go to the text icon on the left and add text. Now we're going to add our heading and type what we want. So I'm going to do welcome to the show. And then I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. And then I'm going to hit the effects button. Now this allows me to do shape. And if you can see here on the left, we have a curve. So we can do different curves here and we can make it bigger or smaller. This is really great if we want to add like a photo around it. So let's do this. Let's add a circle and then actually, I'm sorry, I want a frame. So we're going to do a frame here. And let's do let's see. Okay, so now we want it to kind of match up with this. So this actually looks pretty good, but let me show you here. If we go back to effects, then the curve, and we can make it wider. We can even make it the other way. So we can go welcome to the show. We can move all of this up a little bit. And then if we wanted to do another text, we could do best of 2022. And then we could even go effects and we could curve it the other way. So we could curve it up. So that way you can have it kind of framing. Welcome to the show, best of 2022. And you can have it curving any which way that you want. Frame it in the middle. And this is how you do curved text in Canva. Super, super easy to play around with. You can also do other effects that if you wanted to do multiple effects at the same time, you can do a glow. I like this one a lot. It kind of helps pop it. And I want to actually have this curve a little bit tighter. There we go. And you can do whatever you want with it, which is super awesome. We can move this around. I want it right in the center there. And that is how you do curved text in Canva. I have a whole playlist on Canva tutorials, so definitely check it out and let me know what other tutorials you want.